Junior English presents The Rainbow Friends, written and illustrated by Junior English. Values book series, Respecting Differences. This story teaches children about the importance of kindness, acceptance, and the value of celebrating differences, while also showing that people can change and become better friends when they understand the importance of being kind. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Once upon a time in a little school there was a boy named Oliver. He was a bit shy and didn't have any friends. He used to sit alone during break time and no one sat next to him because they noticed a scar on his face. Oliver felt sad and lonely. One sunny morning, 2 new students joined the school. One of them was Leo. Leo had beautiful black skin and fluffy, curly hair. He was a friendly and funny boy. When Leo walked into the classroom, the teacher asked, "Leo, where would you like to sit?" Leo looked around and noticed Oliver sitting all by himself. Without hesitation, he ran over to sit next to Oliver. The other new student was Sophie. Sophie was different from the other children because she was an albino. Being albino means that her skin was very fair and her hair was very light, almost like the color of snow. She had beautiful pink eyes that sparkled in the sunlight. As Sophie entered the classroom, the other children began to whisper and talk quietly about her. Because they hadn't seen someone like her before. Leo, being a kind-hearted boy, didn't like to see Sophie feeling left out. He called her warmly, "Sophie, come sit with us." Sophie smiled and went over to join Leo and Oliver. The other children saw how friendly and welcoming Leo and Sophie were. And soon they wanted to be friends with them too. As they all sat together, they began to talk and play. Oliver, Leo and Sophie quickly became the best of friends. They taught the other children that it's okay to be different and that everyone is special in their own way. They showed that being different is what makes the world colorful and exciting. But not everyone in the class was as kind as Oliver, Leo and Sophie. One of their classmates, Lucy, had a habit of making fun of people's differences. She never got close to the new students. She often made fun of Oliver. Lucy didn't understand why being different was a good thing. One day, Lucy came to school wearing big glasses. She had trouble seeing the blackboard because her eyes were severely nearsighted, and her glasses were quite thick. Her other friends started making fun of her, giggling and saying unkind things about her glasses. Lucy felt very sad and embarrassed. While the other children teased Lucy, Oliver, Leo and Sophie stepped forward to protect her. They told the others that making fun of someone's differences wasn't right and that they should be kind to Lucy. Lucy was surprised by their kindness, and she realized that what she had been doing was hurtful and wrong. As the days passed, Lucy became friends with Oliver, Leo, and Sophie. She learned from them how wonderful it was to celebrate each other's differences and how being kind and accepting makes the world a better place. Lucy, Oliver, Leo, and Sophie became the best of friends, and they showed the whole class that friendship is more important than making fun of others. And so, Oliver's rainbow friends, along with Lucy, taught their classmates that respecting and celebrating differences is a wonderful thing, and being kind to one another is the key to creating a beautiful rainbow of friendship. The end. Junior English presented